Hello, and welcome to the channel. I'm Geek.
I'm Son.
How are you?
Today on Geek and Son, we take a trip to beautiful Boise, Idaho to look at a used Craftsman toolbox, which will help us with all of our projects like the General Lee, rescuing Grandma's T-Bird, etc., all the motorcycles and great stuff. By the way, we really appreciate you finding this channel and subscribing. It helps us out a lot. Stay tuned for more of great stuff here on Geek and Son.
Yeah.
You want your stickers?
I was gonna say, I get a lot of stickers on there.
I'd like to decorate tool chest anyways. If you give me your address, I swear I have one more set of keys. That's the top, that's the bottom. Like I said, the bottom doesn't, the locks won't engage, the top does. But
All of them open?
it's a good tool chest, like I said. However, now everybody makes them for $1,500. You can get a brand new one.
What's the back look like?
There's just a handle that goes to the bottom unit. I just never put it on. And you might want to put it on, make it definitely easier to move around. Yeah, right there. Those are the screws.
For the bottom one?
Well,
What's on the back?
Like my number 2 car on my dream list is 68 Charger.
look on YouTube. Geek and Son.
That's why we're recording this.
Seriously. On there? Is this for him?
No, it's for me. He's getting my own.
Hell yeah.
Alright, let's take this off. Stick it over there.
Lock it.
So let's, wanna hold that?
God, it was old. Sorry. Stick it over by the truck. Don't hit his car. We'll stick the other one up and then actually it'll probably go up to the side for sure. Let's try. Turn it around.
You want me to grab a tape measure? A tape measure?
Sure, sure. I don't think that'll make it too much. Yeah, that'd be better. Now, okay. Get underneath. Surprised. Cool. Thank you very much.